Hi guys, I think everybody wants to become rich and successful. We have lots of video about motivation, how to get more money, how to raise your salary, but I don't find any step-by-step plan how you really can become a millionaire. If you have average salary, average work, you have no cheats, you are absolutely middle class, and you start from entire zero. Your parents will not leave behind them any money or any property, so you must do all by yourself. So point zero. It's a 2025, you are 20 years old, you don't have your own property, you have average work with average salary, and you decide to leave behind you a house for your children and 1 million in cash. So what should you do? Let's get to step-by-step plan. First of all, we will need a down payment. Second, we must start investing our money. Third part is mortgage, and after that, just investing is accumulating and investing. So, down payment. So guys, the median cost of own house in the United States is estimated at $434,000. So down payment for this house will be $86,800. If you'll get a 30 years mortgage with 5% interest rate, and it will cost for you $2,171 per month. So you need to accumulate $86,800 for your down payment, but there is one life hack. To be honest, you don't need so much money, you need just half of it. How it works? For example, you need a loan for $10,000, but bank can't give you this money because they understand what it will be hard for you to pay it back. So you can do this thing. You put on the deposit $10,000 and take your loan. How it works? Bank know what you have $10,000 in the deposit. So if you have any problems with paying back your loan, they will just take money from your deposit. And that's all. So we need only half of down payment. But how to get money for it? We have only two strategies. First of all, you can make more money, and second, you can spend less money. Everybody thinks what the best strategy is the first. Just make more money so you will be richer. But there is one problem. If you spend all your salary, when your salary will grow up, you will spend also all your salary, because just your brain think what you can spend all money what you'll have on your paycheck. So you must always spend less money when you have every month. It's good to invest from 10 to 20% of all your money what you have from your salary, but you can of course accumulate more money. For example, I had some months when I invest half of my salary. So it only depends on you. Now we will have a little bit of mathematics. Median salary in the United States is about $64,000 or about 5,333 every month. Average monthly spending is about 4,800. So you'll have about 533 free money every month. And we are in our 20s and we start to invest because it's all what we can do in our basics, what your salary will not grow up. So you have free $533. If you put it in bonds, stocks, deposits, or just invest to S&P 500, you will have about $36,000 after 6 years. To be honest, it's not the best result. In year 26, you accumulate money only for your down payment, so it's not so good. So I think we can a little bit change our plan. If you will invest $1,000 every month for 3 years, you'll get about $40,000 in 3 years. So we have salary about 5,333, and our spendings is 4,800, and where we should find extra $500. The best way, what I think, is to cut for half your rent. If you will live with your girlfriend 50-50, or maybe with your friend, you can cut your rent so you can invest more money and live for more money also. So if you want to live alone, or you're adult and just can't live with somebody, you must find extra job. For example, Uber, barista, and something like that. Yes, it doesn't sound so good, but we're speaking about making your life better, so you can decide by yourself. Work harder for 3 years or have your own house for 6 years later. If you don't want extra working hours, you also can, for example, cut another spendings. Maybe you'll find out what your car is not the cheapest, or you can buy less food or something like that. And now we are near our final point, mortgage. You are 23 and you take your mortgage. At this point you already took it and pay money not to feed your landlord, but to have your own house at 53 when you will pay it back. What should you do next? And of course, you just should invest your $533 every month for about 37 years to become a millionaire and have $1 million in cash. Yes, it's not funny, yes, it's boring, but only this works. I can tell you some life hacks how you can get it in one day, but if you really will do it for 37 years, your children will have 1 million in cash, or you will have a really nice retirement. Also, I must say what you invest only 500 if you have absolutely average salary. I think from your 20s to your 30s, you'll grow in your salary, grow in your position, so you can invest a lot, much more. And for example, if you will invest only $1,000 every month, you'll get 1 million after only 30 years. It will be for 7 years faster. If your wife will invest with you with $1,000 and you will invest 2,000 every month, you will have 1 million in cash after only 22 years. For example, I am 20 and in my 42 years I will have 1 million in cash. You can just ask everybody on the street who is 42 years old, does they want 1 million in cash? I think you will not find any person who will say, no, I don't need this money, it will be better. It was better for me to go to nightclubs, drink lots of alcohol and maybe some coke. No, of course no. 32 is a really young person right now. It will be just cool to have this money on your retirement, or when you have your grown child, you can buy, for example, house for them and make their lives a lot of easier. And somebody will think, if 7 years, 1 million will not be the current 1 million. You can buy only chocolate bar on this money. Okay, guys, what should I tell you? S&P 500 gives you about 10% every year. It's the historical data for more than 100 years. Inflation in the United States is about 4%. Yes, we have bad times, we have good times, but let's take 4%. You get 10 and you spend 4. So you will have 6% every year if you will invest only in S&P 500. So I make all these calculations with 6% interest rate or return rate. So I already take inflation in my account. And my final words will be, you grow up in poor family not because of stupid politicians, some small salaries, bad economy situation, and something like that. You grew up in poor family because your parents, their parents, don't invest money and spend just always take loans, and they work for money of another person, not their money work for themselves. So start invest right now if you're in your 20s. Of course, if you are from the USA, I was born in the communist country and we have zero chance to accumulate any money because we haven't it.